Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working a little bit on our green stalks. Now obviously there was some stuff growing in here. We had a stretch of pretty big cold. We ended up beating out, I believe it was Prudhoe Bay, Alaska, as far as low temps go. So unfortunately, even with the frost cover, our bok choy just didn't quite make it. Now, we ate as much of it as we could, of course, beforehand, but we did end up missing a few. So we're just going to go on ahead. We're going to clear out the green stalk and have it basically all prepped for the spring gardening season, which just happens to be around the corner. So I will be linking some videos for you guys to give you some spring gardening inspiration in a small space. Also, I'm going to put this on the front. Don't forget, I have a Digging Deep guide that is set to help you achieve your high yield garden goals. So if you are looking to have a really productive garden this spring going into summer, I really suggest that you get that guide. It's under $20 and I'll have the direct link in the description box below. So I would love for you guys to grab your copy of that and hear your awesome gardening stories and watch you succeed in your small space garden as well. Let's go on ahead and start getting this green stalk cleared out and set for spring. Okay friends, so that is literally all that there is to resetting these guys for the coming spring season. I'm super excited that we had enough worm castings to be able to take care of this green stalk this year. Now obviously as the season goes on with the green stalks, not only do I use worm castings, but I'll probably also top off occasionally as needed with a little bit of really good organic potting soil. But as of right now, our soil level is looking great, so this just needed a little bit of a boost to be ready for spring. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. And don't forget to grab that Digging Deep guide that I wrote for you guys, okay? We'll see you on the next video. Bye.